And there is the Globemaster up there on his way to a flyover of Brisbane City for tomorrow's river fire. And there's the C-17 Globemaster. Just done a few practice runs over Brisbane City for tomorrow's river fire. Now on his way back to Amberley Air Base. I'm pretty sure this year won't be as spectacular as a few years ago because they've changed the minimum altitude they can fly because of all the building going on around the CBD. Nevertheless, it'll be something. Okay, this will be the Growler jets doing a rehearsal. There. There's one. On his way to do the Riverfire practice. But unfortunately, a couple of years ago, they changed the minimum height. So not a very spectacular view anymore, unfortunately. Making more noise on the way back to Amberley, but there was only one. Now there's his mate going to do a flyover now, unless he just did a very wide circuit. Yeah, they used to have like 3 of them. Yeah, not too impressive. As you can see, he's going to fly over Brisbane City there. People are going to be very disappointed. I'll just stay here and watch the fireworks as usual tomorrow night from the comfort of my back deck. And off he goes to Amberley.